Ngibezele ngabhoka amadlodo ngoba namafindo othando ngiyawabopha sena ushaya indesheni kube mbongini imini ukhomanda yazi inkinga yini idlala ukukhohlisana ngibizana ngodala sithi nakhohle umdala uyena wadala. Never let pride hold the truth upon you. Clueless soul, we know how in my social life my soul is clueless. We know disturbance, but I'm having a depressed feeling sorry to the soul of mine. Harsh totals are irresistible. Oh, dear clueless soul, sorry to you. You don't know what is better in your life, but it sounds like you don't have a life and having a clueless well-being. Maybe one day your brain shall give you a clue to what life. Though it's not possible, because you are a human body. Though you cannot be seen with naked eyes, but I shall sabotage vascular totals within you. I repeat, never let pride hold the truth upon you. So the poets was this.
Comrade Council also said this opening welcoming learning as it's all that it is a franchise.